Is the baking soda treatment for ants starting to work, or do we need to change course? Baking soda kills ants when ingested because it reacts with stomach acids to create gas that the insects cannot expel. So, place a thin line of fine baking soda mixed with equal parts powdered sugar near trails and entry points and check every 24 hours. Use powdered sugar as bait because it attracts foragers and masks the alkaline odor of the baking soda. Keep baits dry, renew them if damp, and deploy several small bait stations rather than one large pile so you can monitor where activity is highest. When treating indoor seal food, sweep crumbs, and plug gaps with caulk, since prize food sources will pull ants away from the bait and ruin monitoring. For large colonies, expect repeated applications. Replace baits every 3 to 5 days until trails decline, and then taper down frequency to confirm control. Record observations on where you placed baits and the number of workers seen at each station to spot shifts in trail patterns rather than guessing, and wear gloves when handling baits to avoid contaminating them with human scent, which can deter cautious ants. Common issues are slow or no effect because ants never consume a quantity of baking soda sufficient to be lethal, and the fix is to improve palatability by refining the sugar to baking soda ratio and placing baits closer to active trails. Another problem is moisture wrecking the powder and rendering it ineffective, so move baits to drier locations, replace damp material promptly, and use sealed shallow containers with small bait holes if humidity is high. A third frequent concern is misidentifying the ant species, since some species prefer proteins over sugar and will ignore sweet baits. If you see no interest after optimizing placement and moisture control, switch to a protein-based attractant such as powdered peanut butter mixed with baking soda, or consult a local extension resource for species-specific guidance. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists project types, so we help people find trades that handle pest entry points and repairs related to ant infestations. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share field notes, bait recipes, and monitoring tips so both homeowners and contractors can learn from real experiences.